I want to first of all glory be to Almighty Allah for sparing our life and for giving us the privilege to witness this 2025 Ileya Festival. And my message to all the people of Epe community that we should be our brother's keeper. We should imbibe the culture and then the principle of Holy Prophet Muhammad and the Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam, because he enjoined us to be patient and to believe in Almighty Allah for all whatever you want to do and to fulfill your promises to Allah and to the people. So if we can emulate this, Epe will be a better place for us to live, and we should be in love with one another, because I realize in the recent time that politics has divided all of us. When I was very young, when we come for Ileya like this, I I know that everybody used to be in love with one another, we play together, we enjoy together. But in the recent time where politics has come, democracy has come to Nigeria, so I realize that most people hate one another. Different tribe hate the other one, and particularly our community, the hatred for one another is on our side, which is against the principle of Prophet Ibrahim and Almighty Allah. So we should be one. We should be one. We should love one another. We should, since if politicians says that they are interested in development of the community, and if truly all of us that are aspiring for a position, or those that are in a position, they are really interested in the development of our community, definitely there shouldn't be rancor within anybody. We must address to that okay, okay, we all have the same purpose in our mind for development, so there shouldn't be enmity or hatred for anybody. So I want them to maintain peace, to love one another, and we should be continue to forge ahead in bringing development to Epe. We should be patient. No pain, no gain. At the back of the tunnel, there will always be light. So, well, we will definitely experience it, because over years we have been enjoying subsidy. But when this present administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu came on board, he removed subsidies because of the excesses of the importers. So that we are feeling it now. But don't forget the fact that the remover, the money they remove from the subsidy, they stopped from the subsidy, are being put into the governance, and which we are witnessing massive development that we are witnessing across the state. I'm particular about the state and our local government, not other. I don't know of the other states, but as far as Lagos State is concerned, we are witnessing development. It's a gradual process. We'll still get there.